We got the lay statement. Next up, we got that Nexus statement. What do you think the Nexus helps to prove? That's pretty obvious, right? It's the Nexus. With this one, though, because the Nexus thing can get confusing because it means chronicity. It also means Nexus, link. Nexus statement, from my experience, right, I filed thousands of claims, but I don't know everything. From my experience, you only need a Nexus statement when the VA denies your claim specifically for the Nexus. When they deny it and say the reason we deny it is because we don't believe this condition is related to your military service. That's when the Nexus statement comes into play, because then you have a medical professional who's saying that, I reviewed the records and in my medical opinion, this is connected to this, right? So now the VA has to either grant the approval or say, no, we believe that this is right. They'd have to have some other reason for the disability. All right, so that's the Nexus statement is a very specific tool. But if you get denied and they're saying they don't see a Nexus, all you need to overcome that is a Nexus statement, and you'll DDT them, right? Boom, right in. You DDT them right into the ground with that Nexus statement. So that Nexus statement, what is a Nexus statement? That is a statement from a medical professional saying that in their medical opinion, they believe it is more likely than not that the condition you're filing for is related to something that happened in the military. All right, and what does it help you prove? Of course, the Nexus. So that buddy statement, again, buddy statement can help you prove that in-service event. Lay statement can help you prove that Nexus, that chronicity. And then the Nexus statement can help you prove that Nexus link as well. All right, the Nexus statement, again, from my experience, is normally needed when the VA denies your claim, specifically saying that the reason we denied it is because we don't believe it's related to military service. All right, so if you see that, boom, that's the buzzword for I need a Nexus statement. If you want to get this approved and get the compensation, the benefits, and all these things that come with it, you will need a Nexus statement. All right, hey, trying to keep it simple as always. These statements are important though. These statements are important. It's important that when you're filing a claim or if you're helping someone in this process, that they understand, how to utilize each of these weapons. Every tool, in my opinion, is just a weapon. When you understand how to utilize it, you can wield it very effectively, right? So we're trying to help you to understand how to use the weapons that are already out there. Hey, learn the information. You know what we're here to do. Share the knowledge. A lot of people misinformed. I don't like that, right? I don't like that shit at all. So I come out, give the information from a place of experience, from a place of credibility, from a place of, go get your money, yo. Go get your benefits, man. Like, I know people who've been told that you can't file a claim. Yo, man, come on, man. Why are you doing people like, people's dirty, though, so cool. The solution I found, hey, man, share the information to folks. What them niggas talking about, man. I'm here to share the information, use it, bing, bong, video. It's all connected straight to federal regulations, right? If it is personal, make it so that it's not. Prove those 3 elements, get your compensation. As always, hey, have an incredible day, baby, huh? Hi-ya.
Do you think the VA claims process can be difficult, stressful, or even chaotic at times? If so, we made the Before You File Guidebook to help you keep your claim simple and organized. The VA claims process can make you feel overwhelmed, frustrated, or even pissed off. So we made the Before You File Microlearning Course to help you feel comfortable and confident when you walk into that office to file your VA claim. Get the products and enjoy the benefits. Now back to the show.